All right, jumping on today to do a quick gear review of this portable solar panel. This is the MHPOWOS. I'm not sure how you say that exactly. Solar panel. It's pretty simple. It's 18 volt, 45 watts. The solar energy conversion rate is 24%, and the directions clearly state to angle this towards the sunlight and don't cover the panels while using it. It's a small 3-panel unit. Comes with instructions, USB-C power cable, and a couple of AC adapter units, a couple of carabiners. This unit is light enough and small enough that you probably could strap this to a backpack and hike it in if you wanted to have charging power for your phone or watch, GPS unit, whatnot. This thing is built for simple, lightweight, off-grid charging, and it only weighs 3 pounds, so it's not going to take over your gear setup. Output options include Type-C, USB-A, and DC. So this pretty much covers the everyday essentials: phone, camera, GPS, portable power bank. It's designed to handle the real conditions, dust, rain. I'm not easy on stuff, so I'm looking forward to testing out the durability of this product. I know getting out in nature is a time to be away from electronics, but there are certain situations, extended trips, etc., where you may need to charge a GPS device or a satellite phone or something like that. The solar panel is a simple way